Hello everyone. Okay. Firstly, I'd like to say that my competitors have prepared a lot and they have given something, like they have set up an aura in this stage which I can never match, but I'm here to do that. So firstly, since I'm a little bit behind of preparations, I'll start with an introduction and then I'll share my experiences only. So firstly, my name is Suraj Seladurai and I am a final year student of Computer Science Department. Thank you. So I am from Mumbai and I have did my 10th and 12th in Atomic Energy Central School, and yeah, it is in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So all that applause goes to my dad, and since I have a very great dad who is in Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Actually, he is in Nuclear Power Corporation, which is an associate of Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So since coming from Mumbai and from such prestigious institutions, I've learned a lot from early on. To name a very few, I have done maybe a 5-year course in singing, which I'm out of touch. I'm a black belt in karate, and thank you. And also, I was a poet in my early childhood. So what I mean to say is that I used to go to different classes. I used to do many classes. Extracurricular activities were like a little bit of more priority than studies for me. And that's because I believe that we learn a lot in these extracurricular activities along with our own studies. So coming to after my journey in this institution, when I joined in my first year, I thought that, to be really honest with you guys, I thought that maybe I was a bit superior to like a lot of people here. But then, this has been a journey of 4 years. And in these 4 years, what I have learned is, even a single second is enough to scale any gap. And what I've seen here is, many people from zero background, from zero, they have come to like a very good path. And a lot of my friends here in this institute have improved so much that I was left wondering like where I was falling behind or what was the issues that is going on. Then I realized that it is about this institute. This institute provides so many opportunities to people, so many chances. Like trust me, I am coming from Mumbai. I know the opportunities there and the opportunities here. There are a hell lot of opportunities here, and those who make use of those opportunities have really excelled. Like Ishpreet and Amog who are over here and all my dear friends here. One more thing, since my first year, I have represented RNXG in our college and also MTrix. I was a part of the dance club and also the football team. So during my first year, I used to collaborate with a lot of people, almost 99% of them Maharashtrians, and I learned what a beautiful group of people you all are. Because I myself am a South Indian from Tamil Nadu, and other than this, in this journey of 4 years, I developed myself along my beautiful members, and currently, as I'm standing before you, I'm standing as the president of the college team dance club, also as the captain of the football team of our college, and also as the president of MTrix. To those who don't know what MTrix is, it's an ethical hacking club of our college. And I'll tell you a little bit few things about these clubs and my contributions to them, because I think that's what matters the most, like what you contribute to the college and the group of people that you choose to be with. Firstly, FSDC, which is our college level dance group. When I was in my first standard, we were a select few members from different departments and different years. We didn't have any seniority or junior, any complex, and we all worked together day and night to strive success. And today, as I'm standing before you, we have represented our college at Mood Indigo Festival, which is in IIT Bombay. One more thing, yesterday only it happened. Our college football team represented our college at VGTI competition. Also, this year they had been to KG Somaya also. So this is also a very big, I think, and achievement for our college teams. And we also conduct various workshops, as you must have seen, to inculcate all these things in our students. So I guess the rest of this journey is going to be awesome, and I am very happy to be here with sharing the stage along with all these beautiful people. Thank you.